I want horses to be really, really confident when they go on their back. And I want them to act like partners when I mount them at the mounting block. And there's not much more uncomfortable than a horse that starts walking as soon as I put the foot in the stirrup. You have to kind of jump behind. So I want them to fall in love with the mounting block, to really love that place, and to be confident with the human in a higher position. Oh boy. So right when I introduce the mounting block, I just hang out with them at the mounting block. And right now you can see he let me stand just in front of the withers. For now that's okay. Oh boy. I'm gonna touch him all over. Just have him hang out there. Install a habit of calm and patience. And actually relaxation at the mounting block. A lot of horses, as soon as they notice, oh, the rider's gonna go on my back, we're gonna trot and canter, and they go just by the thought of mounting. They make themselves ready to run. So that can be really, really annoying. So I want the horse to stand next to me. Some horses get so good that they start to push the human off the mounting block. So like you saw now, right away I make clear, nope, that's not what I want. Good boy. Good boy. Don't push here. It's just like before in the whole session, it was about him respecting my bubble. Now my bubble is smaller than on groundwork, but it's still to be respected. Good boy. And he is not the unconfident, unsure, scared type of horse when I teach him something. Of course, with a horse who is really skeptical, you have to do different. Good boy. But a horse who is skeptical will not want to push you off the mounting block anyway. There you will have more the problem of the horse not stopping. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So now ask him slowly forward, step by step. Good boy. Let him lick. No, don't push. Thank you. Left front. Good boy. Yes. Good guy. Yes, and then scratch him all over. Good boy. And touch him everywhere, and rub him and make him feel good. Good boy. And he says next time he sees me go up on the mounting block, he goes, oh yes, that is a nice place to be. She's gonna rub me all over and scratch my itchy spots. That is a really good place to be. Oh boy. Yes. It's really itchy there, huh? Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Hmm? Good boy. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, good guy. So as you see, I don't make him stand still at a mounting block, but I cause him to want to really be here and stand still. Of course, I don't have him at liberty, no. But if he feels like moving, like he moved around in circles around the mounting block in the beginning, he can. And just wait until he's ready to stand still like that. And accept me standing in the position of the saddle. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes. Okay. Ja, mister.